Welcome to the year 2075, where our skies turn silent. Birds are no longer part of the sky. They didn't migrate. They didn't fly away. They were erased by our towers, by radiation. Every pulse from a signal tower tree ripped through the air like an invisible blade. Nests began to crack. Eggs stopped hatching, and one by one they fell. From wires, rooftops, clouds. On balconies, they died quietly. In parks, they lay beside crushed flowers. On school grounds, their wings curled like burnt paper. We kept building towers, even as the sky emptied itself of song. We replaced light with signal. We built towers, but buried the sky. And now, not a single wing remains. The stronger our connection got, the faster the birds disappeared.